like that, you know. But I'm the one that ease your pain, I know.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dazja Jordan, for those of you that are new, and for my returning kin folks, how y'all doing? How y'all doing? Welcome back to the channel. As y'all can see, y'all, we are back home in the glam room. I'm actually getting ready to sit here and do my makeup and get ready for my therapy appointment, but I wanted to take a moment and update y'all on life, okay? So the last vlog that y'all just saw, we were in Denver, and then from Denver we caught a flight to Vegas. And yeah, this is how Vegas went, you know. Like, I guess I can show y'all better than I can tell you. But before we get into how Vegas went, y'all make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Hit that subscribe button, and also hit that little bell on the side so that you can be notified each and every time your girl drops a new video, okay? Because videos is coming, okay? But no, but for real though, y'all, make sure you hit that subscribe button. And also, I want to just let you know off tops, I am not a party girl. So I know y'all probably expecting to see me, you know, in clubs and hookah bars and all of that, but that's really not my steez. I mean, like, I'll go for like a birthday celebration or something like that, but to be trying to go out in every city, that's not your girl. And that's okay. That's okay. I'm sure there's more people like me. But what I will say though is this vlog is filled with food, okay? Y'all know that I am a foodie for sure, so I really hope that this vlog right here kind of like puts y'all on to some good food places in Vegas, and also gives y'all an idea of what the vibe is like in these restaurants and stuff like that. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into what happened in Vegas. Okay, so y'all enjoy. Make sure you hit that like button, also add your comments down below, and just let me know what's up. But let's go ahead and get into it.
We hug and yes, we make love, and always just say goodnight. And we cuddle, sure I do love.
Okay, you guys, so we here in Vegas, but we at the Walmart in Vegas, right? And right now we are just printing off some photos. Let me show y'all these photos of Patrice and I, so y'all can see how way back we go. Like, why she's my best friend, my ace, my bum. Okay, I'm finna show y'all. Finna show you. Let me go ahead and show you these pictures. Let me show you. Hold on. Pow! Look, there go your girl. Hand on it, hand on it, Be on the horses, listen. And those was real horses too. They had them come to the daycare for us. Look at us. Look at my girl. That's my girl. Look at us. Who would have thought this would flourish into this?
We're here, back at it
again. Yeah, we in Vegas. Oh, y'all, I hope y'all ready for the day, because we got a good day in store. It's about a good like 16 hours here in Vegas. She lives here, me, I'm visiting in and out, but we're about to have a blast. And if y'all remember, this was around the same time last year that we went on our Jamaica trip. So y'all just be prepared for a trip like every single year around this time, everything like that. Like, y'all, let's get it, period. Hey. But we're gonna go ahead and print off these pictures. We're not gonna really show y'all those because they a bit personal. They getting into, like, you know, other family members' business, so we're not gonna do that. But we gonna see y'all at the next location, and it's gonna be a bomb location too, real bomb, because we're gonna be getting some food. So yeah, we gonna check back in with y'all in a minute.
Tell me I'm a sign, baby. You and me,
Hey girl, what this make you feel like though? What this make you feel like though? What this make you feel like though? Girl, come wine till you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, if you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. Girl, you know you got the glue, know you got the glue, know you got the glue. Come broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, girl. Who you are wrong with? I know them. Anytime you're ready, girl, on the name. The face make me fly. In a rain, it make you feel high like on a plane. She said I saw the love, the act. Face like sweet and I touch this fat. Dancing, she love to that. Girl, touch the shot. Come wine till you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. If you broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back. Girl, you know you got the glue, know you got the glue, know you got the glue. Come broke off your back, broke off your back, broke off your, broke off your, broke off your back, girl. Girl.
Ooh, it is hot. It is hot out here. Oh, let me turn this down just a little bit. Anyways. Okay, y'all. So I'm so sorry. Y'all are going to have to deal with listening to the air. It is so hot out here. Like, I'm so happy I did not wear any makeup or anything like that because, baby, it is scorching out here. Like, this is the devil's pit for sure. And, oh, can't wait to get to some AC. But we want to tell y'all about the food at, what was the name of the place called again?
Lolo's Chicken
at
and Waffles.
Lolo's Chicken and Waffles. Baby, everything was a 10 out of 10. I will say that the greens could have been better for sure. So that is my only thing. I've had better greens at a restaurant in Atlanta. So I would just say if they just seasoned their greens a little bit more, it would be good. I guess on the menu, it says that it's spicy. The greens aren't spicy at all. They're just under seasoned for some reason. But ain't nothing that you can't fix, you know what I'm saying? But y'all, the environment was good, the vibe was good, what you guys saw, everything was good. Atrice thinks that the peach cobbler was a little too sweet. I also agree, and I wish that I would have got it set apart from the ice cream, just so that I can kind of like save some of it for later. But other than that, everything was perfect. Would you say so, cousin?
It was pretty tasty.
That's
okay, watch your back. You ain't trying to hurt us
yeah.
now.
Come on, ma'am. Like in your little Mazda, watch out.
Okay. But yes, it was tasty. I was happy. Y'all be happy too. Come to Las Vegas for Lolo's Chicken and Waffles.
Oh my gosh! And speaking of the chicken was good.
That chicken was phenomenal.
My stomach was getting stuffed, so I wasn't able to try the waffle. But what did you think about the waffle?
The waffle was good, but it just wasn't as good as it was the last time I had it. I feel like I could have used a little bit more like a cinnamon sugar type deal, but it was good. I think it's better than what is it? Waffle House's waffle. So
I mean, they look the same, but
they look the same, but they taste better.
That's good. That's good. That's good. Whew, so yeah, y'all can probably kind of get that we are stuffed managing everything that y'all saw on our plates. We had some drinks, we had good food, the vibe was good, the DJ was playing nothing but the hits, you know. I was like, I thought somebody was gonna have to kick me out because it was feeling good. But listen, y'all, I do want to say that when you decide to go to Lolo's, you need to be like there probably like 30 minutes before they open, because their wait list, baby. I'm gonna keep it 100, y'all. We waited 3 hours just for our reservation, okay?
Right.
So make sure you get in and you get out. I believe this restaurant is black owned, so try it. It's a complete vibe. When you come to Vegas, try Lolo's. It's not far from the Strip at all. As a matter of fact, I feel like we are at the Strip, and the food place was like 5 minutes away, which is good.
Yeah, not too far at all.
Yeah, I like that. So yeah. But listen, y'all, right now we are getting ready to head over to Coolsville Tattoo, and we are going to get like some best friend tattoos. They have $10 tattoos if you get there before 6:30. So yeah, we're gonna go and see what they got, you know, see if we can get something that just kind of symbolizes our friendship and our love for one another, because that is my sister cousin. Period poo.
Period poo. No, really though.
But anyways, y'all, it is so hot. I want to stop talking because I feel like my breath is adding to the hotness in the air. I ain't even trying to sing no song, so I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all go, and I'm gonna talk to y'all when we get to the tattoo shop. Ooh, I hope y'all are enjoying watching this vlog, for real though. So if you haven't, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and also hit that little bell on the side so that you can be notified each and every time your girl drops more lit vibes and vlogs like this, okay? See y'all at the tattoo shop.